Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. Here I have with me is a box filled with the latest Jujube prints in Cleopatra and Black Ruby. This prints will be available in Asia on the 17th of July. And let's take a look at what we have here now. Wow, the first one that we have here is the Be Quick, and this is in the Cleopatra print. Like the name, Cleopatra, so this is inspired by the Egyptian pyramids. So this triangular black and white prints here, it's really classy, very pretty. And instead of the usual shiny gold hardware, it is a brushed gold hardware this time around. So it's more antique-ish looking. Let's see what it's like inside. Oh, even more shiny gold inside. So are you black and gold lovers? This is a perfect bag for you. And the Be Quick is actually one of my favorite diaper storage bags for organization in my diaper bags, because I put all my diapers, my wet wipes inside. And let me show you what I do put inside. So here I have is like 3 Pampers. Put it inside. Tissue paper, diaper cream, and some wet wipes. And there's a zipper compartment here, which is perfect to just put the wet wipes for easy access and organization. And they have this nice clip-on mode that you can actually clip onto your stroller or on the side of your diaper bag, or you can actually use it like a little handbag piece, like that. Yeah, like a little handbag. But what I usually do is just chuck this in the diaper bag, and once I need diapers, I'll just scream to my hubby and like, get me the Pampers bag, and he'll just take this out for me, which is perfect because everything's in there. So this is the Be Quick in Cleopatra. And what we have next is the B set in also Cleopatra print. And the B set is a set of 3 baglets. It's a great little combination of 3 little bags for organizing stuff in your diaper bag actually. So this is a very nice wallet for mums. You can put your cards, your keys, your credit cards, and your house keys, car keys, cash. And this is actually a really good pouch to put like a first aid kit for your little kid. So you put your first aid kit here. You remove the straps. Show you the straps. Can be like the quick access, exactly like Be Quick. A wristlet, or a little tote bag, a little carry-on like that. And the very nice Cleopatra classy print. And the last of the B set is the biggest pouch here, which is a very good mummy's pouch where you can put your wallet inside here, your handphone, whatever you need, your lip balm, some makeup, some tissue, some wipes. And the best thing is you can wear this as a sling. So you can leave this in your diaper bag, but then when you need to just take something out from the diaper bag, when you're out with your kid's running around, you can just sling this bag over you, leave the diaper bag behind with your family, run up to your kid, get your necessary stuff, and pick your kid back up. Or you can even use this for your daily, to go when I walk my dogs. I can just have my keys and my wallet inside and push my stroller and just have this little. So this is the B set, the 3-piece B set. Perfect for organizing stuff in your diaper bag. There you go. And what we have here next, this is the Black Ruby in the Be Right Back. So For all you Disney fans, I'm sure you think this Black Ruby really looks like Minnie Mouse's dress. And you imagine going to Disneyland with your kid in this diaper bag, carrying this super adorable Minnie Mouse looking inspired bag with all the cute little polka dots, the black hardware, and wearing your Minnie Mouse ears. This is the perfect outfit for Disneyland. So all you Disney fanatics, I think you'll love this bag a lot. So this is the little area for you to put your photos. There's some quick access pockets here. And then here is the mummy's pouch where you can put your sunglasses. You can attach your house keys here. Oh wow, the polka dots inside is different. It's black and white. And there's a little gusset here, so there's your stuff won't fall out when you open this pouch here. You can put your handphone, some quick access stuff. Can even leave some of these little pouches inside. And then we'll go to the next compartment. This little zipper compartment here has a little nice felt lining, so you can even put like your phone, your MP3 players to protect anything electronic because of this nice soft fabric inside. And all of the Jujube's bags are machine washable. They are coated with Teflon, so it's stain resistant, so it's perfect for moms where you have spilled milk, spilled food, babies drool, puke, whatsoever. And also all the materials also coated with AG ion antimicrobial building technology, so that it will have no mold growing inside, no bacteria, no odors, and it's much more hygienic to have such material to when you have a kid. So now let me open the next compartment. I really love this bag because it's so convenient when you're traveling, especially because once you open this, it's a huge compartment to pack everything that you need, especially when you have kids around. So you can see this bag. So let's say I have my Be Quick, I can just put it at the side here. And all these little organization bags, you can just put it up in different compartments. You can even put it in the zipper area here if you need. So like that, like that. So let's say I have my first aid kit here, my personal belongings here, the diapers here, some maybe more wet wipes, some snack pouches for the kid. You can even put like a little bottle holder here, or even like a I don't know, a little mat for the kid. Even you can zip everything up. And the best thing about the Be Right bag is that you know where your stuff is. So let's say if I need just my diapers, I can just shift the zippers all the way here, open up this area, and grab my diapers, and nothing falls out, which is great. Oh, that's my dog calling for some attention. So other than that, we have this quick pickup handle here, which is great for traveling. Instead of, if you have no time to sling it over, you can just pick it up from the floor and go. There's two 3M insulated pockets here for your milk, for your water bottles, to keep things cold or warm. So one here and one here. And I always use these pockets for my milk bottles. I'll just put a little ice pack in there, my milk bottle in there, and it stays cold the whole day. And there's this little secret compartment pocket here, which is really, really spacious. You can even put like a camera, your little toys for the kids for quick access. So let's say you're in Disneyland and you need, sorry, it's my baby crying. Let's continue. So let's say you're in Disneyland, you need a camera, you just pick it up from here, zip it up, and it's perfect. So there's no prints in there, it's just a plain white compartment. And everything, every bag in Jujube is light colored, the lining is light colored, so for you to search for your stuff really easily instead of like a little black hole in your bags. And at the side here, it's another compartment with the diaper changing mat with memory foam, so it's soft for your little one to sit on. The front is the same black ruby print in red and white polka dots. The back is the same as the lining, the black and white polka dots. It's very comfortable memory foam. And the Be Right Back has memory foam straps, curved for your body and it's comfortable. And this is a mesh to keep things cool. Yeah. So that's the Be Right Back. I'll just leave the bags out here. Let's see what's going on. Next up that I have here is the Hobobe. The Hobobe is a perfect bag for moms who want a diaper bag and yet they also can use this for their own daily shopping carry-on bag. So the Hobobe is very versatile because you can use this as a little short strap bag. Okay, got it. Yeah, short strap bag like that. Or you can extend it to be a sling-on, which actually most people do prefer because it's a very good crossbody bag for people to use. Yeah. And here there's also a memory foam. So you crossbody, it's pretty pretty. You can see it like that. And I really love this black ruby print, it's so cute. So here is like a little mummy pocket as well for you to do your organizations of stuff. Your keys. Little pockets for you to, put your mints and stuff. A zipper compartment here. And there's also two 3M thin insulated pockets for your bottles and stuff here. And inside the Hobobe is the pretty polka dot prints again. With a lot more compartments for you to organize your stuff. A zipper. You can put bottles, your diaper, wipes, your Pampers, your snacks for your kids, yeah? So this is the Hobobe. And like I said earlier, all bags are machine washable. So once they're dirty, you just chuck in the washing machine in a bag, in like a laundry bag, and they're clean again. Yeah. And last but not least is the Minibe. So this Minibe is a great twinning bag for your little one when you're carrying your Be Right Back and your little one's carrying this. So you imagine both of you going to Disneyland in this and you're wearing your Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse ears. So adorable. So this Minibe, you can also use this as your own personal bag, but I think it's a perfect bag for the little one, for them to bring to school. So there's a little pocket here for them to slot like, their pencils, pencil case. So there's a metal clasp here. Magnetic clasp. And like the Be Right Back, it opens up so easily, so you can get easy access to everything inside. You can put like a little folder, some storybooks, some of their snacks, their little color pencils, another zipper compartment here for them to put like maybe even the name cards, the little student pass. And like the Be Right Back, They're really comfy memory foam shoulder straps for you to hold on, to keep like the weight off your shoulders, and the mesh bag to keep things cool. And also the quick pickup handle. So that's all I have here today. And we can recap the Be Right Back, the Minibe, the Hobobe, the B set. Oh, I think one more is inside here. Yeah, the 3-piece B set, and the Be Quick, which is my favorite Pampers bag. Yeah. So that's all I have here for you guys today. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So one of these, I was thinking, you can even put like your extra onesies for your kid in case they stain or pee or poop on the clothes. You can just put it in one of these bags. Put it inside. Okay. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing session. So this is the Black Ruby, and this is the Cleopatra print. So see you again. Thank you. Bye.